In this lesson I will show you how to crochet popcorn stitch. And popcorn stitch look really beautiful and together when it's crocheted often, one after another, or when it's crocheted with gaps. So make a row of single crochet stitches, and then the next row we will make with double crochet stitches. Begin the row with chain 2, then crochet 2 double crochet stitches, and in the next stitch of the previous row we will make popcorn stitch. Popcorn stitches always made out of 3 to 5 double crochet stitches, and they always made in one stitch. So we'll make yarn over, insert hook into the stitch of the previous row, pull thread through and crochet double crochet stitch. You can crochet 3 double crochet stitches or 5. I will show you how it looks like with 5 stitches. So we'll make one more double crochet stitch, then third, fourth, and fifth. And all double crochet stitches are made into one stitch. And this is how it will look like. Then remove the hook from the stitch, the last stitch, and insert the hook into the first stitch, first double crochet stitch. Then reconnect the hook with the stitch you left and pull the stitch through the first stitch. Make sure it's tight right here and make a slip stitch. Then I will make one double crochet, and another popcorn stitch into the next stitch right here. It will be right above the popcorn stitch I already have here. So again I will make 5 double crochet stitches into the stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, remove the hook. Stretch, first of all, stretch a stitch, last stitch a little that you will not lose it, and remove the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch, first double crochet stitch, and reconnect the hook with the stitch you left and pull the stitch through the first stitch and make a slip stitch. One more time. So this I made double crochet stitch just to separate two popcorn stitches together between each other. And next stitch, into the next stitch, I will make popcorn stitch. 5 double crochet stitches into one stitch. Make sure you are not inserting the hook into the first double crochet stitch, the one that separates stitches. You need the first double crochet that belongs to the set of 5 stitches.